All right, imagine waking up tomorrow morning in a radically different world. You open your eyes, and things just feel, well, easier. Today in this explainer, we're going to explore a future that is literally right around the corner. We are looking at the year 2026, the year everything changed. We're going to break down exactly how artificial intelligence is shifting from this cool little novelty into the invisible engine powering our daily lives and the entire global economy. So, if you want to know exactly what your near future looks like, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Section 1, Waking Up in 2026, Your New Morning Routine. Okay, picture this scenario. Your alarm stays completely silent this morning. Why? Well, because your AI assistant already knows you were up super late last night finishing a massive project. While you're just standing in the bathroom brushing your teeth, your assistant is silently working in the background. Step 1, it quietly adjusts your morning schedule to give you that extra hour of sleep. Step 2, it proactively messages your coworkers to let them know your timeline is shifted just a bit. Step 3, it goes ahead and orders your favorite breakfast so it arrives right when you're ready. And step 4, honestly, this is the crazy one, it has been silently negotiating a lower electricity bill with your utility provider based on your usage data. I mean, you haven't even had your coffee yet and your life is already being perfectly managed. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Okay, that sounds like a great sci-fi movie. But actually, this isn't science fiction at all. This is the beginning of life in 2026. We really need to completely reframe how we view this technology. AI is rapidly evolving, far, far beyond just being some clever chatbot that can answer a trivia question or, write a polite email for you. It's becoming a highly active participant in our daily lives. Moving on to Section 2, the new digital worker, from chatbot to business partner. We are living through a massive, massive shift right now. Think about it. Just a few years ago, if you wanted to build a great piece of software, you literally needed entire teams of developers. If you wanted a marketing campaign, you had to hire a pricey ad agency. High-quality videos? That demanded expensive camera gear, crazy lighting setups, and dedicated editors. But today, one single person armed with powerful AI tools can accomplish work that once required a whole company. The barriers to entry are just completely collapsing. AI has basically become a researcher, a programmer, a designer, and a teacher all rolled into one. Let's just look at how fast businesses are transforming. Companies are aggressively deploying intelligent AI agents to take over repetitive tasks. And the thing about these agents, they work 24/7. They don't need coffee breaks, they don't sleep, and they absolutely don't burn out. Customer support is becoming highly automated, but in a way that actually solves your problem instantly rather than just putting you on hold for an hour. Marketing campaigns that used to take months of planning, yeah, they're generated in minutes now. Complex financial reports are analyzed the very second the data comes in. And perhaps most importantly, scientific discoveries are accelerating at an unprecedented rate because AI can process these enormous, mind-boggling amounts of data far beyond human capability. The pace of change is just absolutely staggering. But look, every technological revolution creates winners and losers, right? Which brings us to the ultimate question dividing people today. Will people compete against AI, or will they learn to work alongside it? Some people look at this wave of automation and see the greatest opportunity in human history, a chance to finally free ourselves from drudgery. Others look at it and are legitimately terrified it's going to replace millions of jobs and leave people behind. So, who's actually right here? Let's look at Section 3, Lessons from Tech History, the Pattern of Innovation. History actually gives us the exact answer to our current fears. Back in the 1800s, when electricity was introduced to factories, it didn't eliminate human usefulness, it transformed industries. It allowed us to build things on a scale that was previously unimaginable. Jump forward to the 1990s. When the internet arrived, yes, sure, many traditional businesses struggled, but it created entirely new careers that literally didn't exist before. Web designers, social media managers, cloud computing engineers. Today, AI is following that exact same pattern of innovation. The only difference, it is happening at lightning speed. Which brings us to this really powerful realization. Learning how to use AI is quickly becoming as important as learning how to use computers 20 years ago. The skills that were incredibly valuable yesterday simply are not going to be enough tomorrow. Think about it. You wouldn't apply for an office job today and say, actually, I refuse to use email or spreadsheets. In 2026, refusing to use AI is going to put you at that exact same disadvantage. Section 4. Amplifying human creativity, AI across industries. The applications across all these different fields are just incredible to see. Students are no longer restricted to a one-size-fits-all curriculum. They now have highly personalized AI tutors helping them learn faster and better. Doctors are using AI-powered diagnostics for early disease detection, catching tiny details the human eye might just miss.
Engineers are taking product designs that used to require months and months of iteration and finalizing them in mere days. Filmmakers are sitting at a corner table in a coffee shop with just a laptop, generating cinematic, sweeping video sequences. And founders, they're launching highly profitable, scaling businesses with virtually no employees. They are achieving the impossible because of the tools right at their fingertips.
And this leads us to our core thesis for today. AI does not replace human creativity, it amplifies it. If you are a creative, driven person, AI is basically a massive lever that you can pull to make your ideas huge. It takes your unique ingenuity and gives you the digital hands to build it instantly. It's the ultimate amplifier. Section 5. Challenges of the AI Era. The hurdles ahead. Now, it is absolutely vital that we acknowledge the serious ethical and societal hurdles we're facing right now. Because AI can generate content instantly, we are seeing a much faster spread of misinformation. It's becoming really hard to distinguish truth from fiction. We're dealing with increasingly realistic deep-fake videos that can easily manipulate public perception. Privacy concerns are growing rapidly as these models scrape and analyze vast amounts of our personal data. And compounding all of this is the fact that government regulations are heavily lagging behind the technology. I mean, the tech is evolving on a weekly basis, while laws take years to write and pass. Because ultimately, technology itself is totally neutral. It has no moral compass whatsoever. The future depends on ethics, responsibility, and the choices humanity makes over these next few coming years. We are the ones driving the car. AI is just the engine. It is entirely up to us to steer it away from the cliffs and toward a better society. So, Section 6. How you must adapt. Your next steps. For ordinary folks looking to prepare for 2026, the mandate is wonderfully simple, and it breaks down into these 3 steps. 1. Learn. Read up on what these large language models and generation tools can actually do. Understand their limits and understand their strengths. 2. Experiment. Get your hands dirty. Open up an AI tool today and try to make it do a task you'd normally do manually, whether that's drafting a quick email, organizing your monthly budget, or just brainstorming ideas. And 3. Adapt. As the tools change your workflows with them. The people who embrace AI as a tool instead of fearing it are going to unlock opportunities that were literally impossible a decade ago. The future isn't coming someday, folks. It is already here. And frankly, exploring it together is exactly why we create these explainers. We want to take these massive, complex breakthroughs and break them down so we can all actually use them. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, a developer, or just someone curious about where the world is heading, it really helps to have a guide, and we are absolutely thrilled to be on this journey with you. Because honestly, this is really only the beginning. As we look ahead to our next explainer, we're going to tackle the exact question that's keeping so many people awake at night. Will AI replace your job? The truth, no one is telling you. Can it actually replace what you do? Or will it create entirely new careers that don't even exist today? It's a fascinating question, and we'll dive right into those answers together next time.